Welcome to your heart. Bismillah. Let's begin by saying the words our hearts crave when we are on the edge. Ya Allah, I am tired. And in this space that's allowed, this is not a space to be strong. This is a space to fall apart safely in the presence of the one who made you a mother. Maybe today was long. Maybe your baby cried more than you expected. Maybe your chest is tight from holding back tears. Or maybe you just feel empty. This is not a weakness. This is the wisdom of a body asking to rest. This is your soul saying, let me come home to Allah. Right now, just be here. Just breathe. Gently place one hand over your heart and the other over your womb, the place where life once began. Now take a slow, intentional breath through your nose and exhale through your mouth like a soft sigh. Let your shoulders drop, unclench your jaw, soften your belly. Feel the quiet beneath your thoughts. Even if they're racing, even if your to-do list still hums in the background, let your body be the louder voice for now. Breathe in, Ya Latif, wrap me in your gentleness. Breathe out, Ya Rahman, pour your mercy over me. You are not just a mother, you are also someone's daughter. You are also Allah's beloved. Let's begin a rhythm to remind your nervous system you are not in danger. You are not alone. You are not failing. You will inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and hold for 4 counts. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, again, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, calm, hold, stillness, exhale, pressure, hold, surrender. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Slowly come back to your natural rhythm of breath. Easy inhales, easy exhales. Hasbi Allahu wa ni'mal wakil. Hasbi Allahu wa ni'mal wakil. Allah is enough for me and the best disposer of affairs. Let that truth sink into your body, not just your mind. Now imagine it's nighttime. Your baby is finally asleep. You step outside under the stars, barefoot, the world silent around you. You're still carrying the exhaustion, but also something else. Stillness. You look up at the sky and whisper, Ya Allah, did you see how much I gave today? Ya Allah, I didn't yell, but I wanted to. Ya Allah, I miss the version of me who didn't feel so lost. And Allah does not judge. He does not rush you. He just listens and He stays. Let the sky become your container. Let the stars become witnesses to your hidden labor. Let the cool air soothe your skin like dua you forgot how to make. You hear in your heart, Wama Rabbuka bi Nasiya, and your Lord has not forgotten you. And in this moment, even in your depletion, you remember you are still His, you are still seen, you are still loved. Now coming back to your breath, feeling your chest rising with life. Feel your body, the one that's held, fed, comforted, and carried another human being. It deserves compassion. Begin to whisper with me, silently out loud or in your heart. Ya Salam, bring peace to my heart. Ya Latif, help me be soft with myself. Ya Shakur, reward me for what no one else sees. Breathe in and say, I am not alone. Breathe out and say, Allah is with me. I am not alone. Allah is with me. I am not alone. Allah is with me. Let these words become the lullaby you never got. Now gently rub your hands together. Place them back over your heart. Close your eyes like you're returning to a cave of mercy. Whisper this final dua. Ya Allah, I gave so much today. Refill me with what I need tomorrow. Wrap me in what I didn't get. Reward me for what no one else saw. And remind me, even when I forget, I am never carrying this alone. Take one more breath in and a slow sigh out. And when you're ready, open your eyes slowly. Stretch. Have some water, or maybe stay lying back and just let the stillness hold you for a little longer. You are not just surviving, you are sacred, you are seen, and you are doing so much better than you know.